Every single year, schools do the exact same thing. They sit down and order textbooks for their students. It is a completely standard, unavoidable part of running an education center. Today, school leaders are looking for tools that move as fast as the digital world, like smart classrooms and robotics labs that bring modern lessons to life. Look at this standard school budget. When a school tries to upgrade, it gets crushed by heavy blocks of hardware costs, software licensing, server maintenance, and expensive teacher training. It is a massive financial roadblock. What if a school could bring in every single piece of that digital infrastructure, the software, the hardware, and the labs, without spending a single extra rupee? This is where Edubull comes in. If a school simply takes that standard textbook budget and switches to Edubull's AI-enabled books, they receive the entire technology infrastructure for free. By shifting an everyday purchase you already make, the high cost of modernizing disappears. You buy the books, and your school gains the tech to run like a school of the future. The process starts with a simple trigger. The school makes its regular, necessary purchase of books, but chooses Edubull instead of a traditional publisher. Right away, the school receives Edubull slates. These are interactive smartboards bursting with vibrant 3D models and video content, ready for the classrooms. Then comes the heavy physical hardware. An entire AI and robotics lab is dropped in, giving the school computers, over 50 distinct robotics kits, and a clear pathway for students to earn IIT certifications. On the software side, the school instantly gains access to a dedicated language lab, a complete coding platform for the kids, and a comprehensive learning management system to run it all smoothly. Because new tools require guidance, Edubull provides full teacher training, technology onboarding, and continuous academic support throughout the year. Heavy physical hardware, complete robotics labs, advanced software platforms, and expert teacher training. All of it arrives at the school alongside the books, requiring zero separate IT budget. Having all of this new technology is great, but how does the software actually help an individual student who is struggling in class? But it all starts with a baseline test. A normal exam only checks what a child knows about their current grade level, but this system does much more. The gap analyzer scans backward to find hidden weaknesses. If a 6th grader struggles, it might find missing chunks in a 4th grade concept. The software immediately goes to work, generating a custom playlist of videos, notes, and exercises targeted entirely at fixing that older gap. The student reviews the tailored material and grasps the foundational concept. With the old gap finally closed, they can easily understand the complex lessons being taught in their current 6th grade class. The system functions exactly like a personalized academic doctor. It diagnoses past educational gaps to effectively heal present struggles, and it does all of this without piling extra grading or planning onto the teacher's desk. While the system helps individual students recover, the broader learning management software organizes the daily operational flow of the entire school. Teachers can effortlessly assemble their lesson plans, run interactive sessions on the smartboards, and closely track exactly how each child is progressing. In this network diagram, you can see how information flows from the classroom directly to the administration. Principals and school owners get a unified dashboard to monitor the real-time performance of every single class, teacher, and student at a glance. That same transparent data reaches the parents. They gain clear, immediate access to see their child's actual learning progress, including exactly which concepts they find difficult. By connecting teachers, administrators, and parents into one shared system, everyone stays on the same page, turning the school into a highly efficient, transparent machine. Edubull enters the school as an active partner rather than just a supplier. They put their own resources into the capabilities of the teachers, the success of the students, and the school's long-term growth. The school simply fulfills its basic requirement of buying textbooks for the year and gains an entire world of new technology for 0 additional rupees. Adopt the books, and Edubull will make the entire financial investment required to turn your school into a high-tech learning environment.